The Lord can always be trusted to show mercy each morning. Good morning. I just woke up. I thank God for each day. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful and blessed day. I am blessed in this city, blessed in this country, blessed whenever I go in, and blessed whenever I go out. Everything I do is blessed. Thank you, Lord God, for this home, family, and community. Bless us, O Lord, and keep us safe from harm. Sanctify us in your truth. Your word is truth. Every morning He shows it in new ways. You are so very true and loyal. Good morning. I hope you are doing well. Let me show you my morning routine on most days. Fresh as the morning, as sure as the sunrise. There is no other place I'd rather be than in the comfort of home and family. I hope you find love, peace, and joy in your place. Have you written your faith goals yet for the year? I hope and pray that 2023 is a blessed year for you. Great is His faithfulness. His loving kindness begins afresh each day. Sometimes I wonder if the past 3 years of pandemic were just a bad dream for everyone. The psalmist wrote that many years as a passing day, as brief as a few night hours. I'm glad we all woke up, though not unscathed, from those 3 years the evil one stole from us. God's justice will come. This world belongs to God. God's loyal love couldn't have run out. His merciful love couldn't have dried up. If you have seen my previous video on how to overcome anxiety, I emphasized the importance of developing your morning and evening routine into one that contributes to your well-being. You may find some inspiration in this video on how to develop your morning routine that includes waking up early and moving your body. There are free video exercises online that you can follow so you don't have to pay for costly gym membership. God's merciful love is created new every morning. How great is your faithfulness! I'm grateful for the food, our home, family, and community. Here they are, every morning new. Your faithfulness, God, is as broad as the day. It is a joy to read, write, and learn each day. This is something that I pray to do for the rest of my life. They are new every morning. Great and abundant is your stability and faithfulness. I write for at least 30 minutes. Sometimes I write for 2 to 4 hours a day. I take a bath, then do tasks for the day. I'm grateful for this morning routine that begins my day on a blessed note and be a blessing to others. Charles Colson wrote in his book, The Good Life, is not about the sum total of what we contribute to the world. It's about loving. I hope and pray that you find each day a gift. I'll see you in the next video.